Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to see your streamers info on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and if you already log in, you can go to profile. You can go to your profile on the top left on the corner, and then in this profile menu you can go to a live stream menu over here, and then you can click the live stream records. And over here, if you want to see the streamers info, you can click the streamers info, and then it will show your popularity, total views, and total gift value. And then you can see also the global ranking of your gift giving leaderboard. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a question, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.